Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, number one educational speaker in the whole world is your host with the most. And here I'm with my brother once again as usual. But you know what? I want to tell viewers something before you can introduce yourself, my brother.
Yes. I don't think I have to introduce myself, though.
Yeah. Oh, but you'll have to, my brother, because people...
The name will be there. I just want to say, I want to hear what you're saying.
Okay, all right. Please, people, our good people, subscribe with us.
Yes.
So that we can grow. We're going to keep giving you a show. Now and again. We don't stop. We are here to stay.
Yes.
We are here to stay.
We are immortal.
Thank you very much. How's it, my brother?
Always good.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
How do you feel today?
Always good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What can you tell me?
I have a question. Okay. Today, you were like liars.
Wait. Before I can hear your question, my brother. Yeah. How do you feel today?
I feel good as always.
Just elaborate for me. I want to know, how do you feel?
I feel like love.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't have words,
Yeah.
The feeling that I have.
Yeah.
It's how I feel always, though.
So what is your feelings showing you? What is your feelings showing you? What is your feelings are showing you?
What are my feelings showing me?
Yes.
What I want to see. Or what's there. Because I want to see what's there. I want to see life.
All right.
Yes. And life is there, and unless you in your mind.
So which means for now, what do you feel? I just wanted to
understand
that. Yes. Thank you very much. I wanted to understand that as to how do you feel.
Yes.
You know, my brother. Because feelings is something else. It shows us where we are. It's at that particular time. The way that you feel, it shows you where you are.
Yes.
At that particular time.
You know,
my brother?
Yeah.
Yes. Because if you feel good,
you
are good.
Yes.
If you feel bad, then you're bad.
You will act bad.
Yes. The problems, my brother, are liars. And they destroy everything. And how you involve other people.
Yes.
You must be aware of that. If you were lying alone, and that liars would affect you alone, I think
there wouldn't be a problem.
There wouldn't be a problem.
Just lie to yourself.
For yourself.
Yes, exactly.
By yourself. Now, liars involve other people.
Yes.
Because
they lie outside themselves.
Yes, they need witnesses.
Oh.
Or what am I, brother?
Yes.
They need witnesses, they need validations, they need proof. Everything for them.
Yes.
They must collect proof, witnesses, so they involve other people.
Yes.
So they hurt other people.
Yeah, in the process.
And they make other people look like them.
So would you say they're selfish?
Exactly, they are selfish because they destroy other people trying to clean their own.
Yes. Trying to gain something.
Yeah, but in the first place. What made you dirty?
Yes.
That you will clean up using other people's names to clean your name. What messed up with your name? But they know, we know, so we are good. We will be good. Yes. As long as they can listen to Uppercut Podcast, they will change their behavior, my brother.
They mustn't lie.
They mustn't lie. That's all. Even if you can feel cornered. Even if you can feel that this truth now will put me in danger.
Yes.
Or might put me in danger. It doesn't matter, it's the truth. The same truth that you go about will take you out of the trouble again.
Yes. That's the power of truth.
That's the power of truth. But lies, you'll be in the good side for a moment.
Yes.
After some time,
it comes back to bite.
It comes back to bite you, my brother. It doesn't come back to laugh with you.
Yes. comes back for business.
For business now. Only the truth will come back and laugh with you.
Yes, and
celebrate with you. Wabon, feel
Empower
good
you.
with
Yes.
you, empower you. Wabon, thank you very much, my brother. So, putso ya hao ne ring.
Speaking of which,
Putso ya hao ne ring, my brother.
what did you say? You kind of lying. You lying to
Ganjani.
us. You lying to us.
Ganjani, man. Ganjani. You can't say that to the number one educational speaker. Come on. I feel offended.
Okay, let me come out. Let me come clean.
And it better be a good one.
Yes. You remember though, there's this episode you were recording, and you said something about exploiters.
Yeah.
There's a story that you haven't told us.
Okay.
Yeah, we want to know. I'm sure I'm not speaking for myself.
All right.
Yes.
Yes, my brother Pella, now I'm listening to you. I'm a kitswile, wabo.
Yeah.
My heart is pumping more than usual because now I lied. my mind now is running because I know myself. I don't lie, man. I don't lie, man. You know, yeah. All right. So your question is, who are those exploiters?
Yes.
So I remember, my brother, as you remind me, you know, gore ke itse ke tla bua ka number 2.
Yeah.
As re buile ka number 1.
Yes.
So number 2, my brother, here's the story there. He's got his story. There.
Wait, let me take a sip for this.
He got his story there, not like others. So there's a little story that I'm gonna share here.
We all ears.
And people must know is the truth.
Yes.
But if you don't believe, you can make your research.
Yes, you'll find the evidence.
Thank you very much, my brother. So there is this guy that I like. The general himself.
Yes.
The legend killer. Nani Matsoso. Young child.
Yes. Who's that?
Okay, that guy, he's a podcaster, he's a motivational speaker, he's an ex-con.
Yes.
So we know each other because we are doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Cody Skolong, at those platforms, we do the same thing. We are talking, you know.
Yes.
Yeah. So yes,
he's doing good.
He's doing, I hope so.
Yes.
Yeah. Some money.
And you can only hope.
Yeah, I can only hope my brother is doing good.
Hey, man, I guess all this step I can hold man.
Yeah.
Keep talking.
Well, tell him, my brother.
Yes.
So as he's doing his thing, I'm grateful. Yeah. So here's the day then. I woke up here with a message from Nani Matsoso. At that time, we haven't seen each other.
Y'all haven't met in person.
Exactly. We met on Facebook.
Yes.
Here I am, I was bought. Go Facebook, go phone for clipper. That time, I don't know TikTok. I don't know YouTube.
I don't know social media. Basically.
Exactly. But yeah, that phone had Facebook app. And then somebody was registering me there. Trying to help me. Yeah. So it's like a Facebook and
Yes.
How? This guy.
Who's this?
Ex-convict. Inomboro ngivalile. Mina ngifuna intwana zami zenze grand. Mina ngiyamtshela ejele ngeke nibuye yeke la nomthetho. You see? God, this guy is speaking my language.
Yes. That's what I'm about.
Exactly. That's when I can go inbox so I'm also an ex-convict. And I love what you are doing, my brother.
Yes.
With passion.
Yes.
That's what I want to do and back.
Yes. That's what I'm gonna live for.
The guy says, okay, I will hook you up, my brother. Karno, you know what? Now I need a guidance from you. Because you are doing it already.
Yes.
And then now associate. So when you might as well teach me ropes.
Yes.
How to perform, and then now I'll be watching, I'll be learning.
Yes.
And then when it is my time now, it will be easy for me. One shot.
Yes.
Yeah. No. I will be in touch, my brother. Don't worry. Keep reminding me. Hey, I was happy for that.
Yes. was more than enough.
1 month, 2 months. I reminded him. Sorry. I reminded him. Arne, my brother, don't worry, ke kopanya something. Ka qala ho poreha now. Wa bona? Yeah. And ntho ne batla mpora kore o kopanya something. What?
Yes.
What? Hobane o fa dikela motho ka ro maybe a so thole skela so tlo ya ko sona.
Yes.
Ke ska mtatisa.
Yes.
Wa bona?
And it's a life of his own.
Yes. That thought consoled me. Wa bona? 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Ka kopana le yena hape a ke re bua ko Facebook fela ka ya ko paging e le ne ke commenta ko yona ka re my brother I'm still here. He didn't answer. Awa ka ra ke chilo ka re mo ha ona ntho e tsamayang. But I didn't mind, I didn't judge, I didn't do anything.
He doesn't owe you anything.
We don't know each other. Wa bona my brother. And then got told after 9 months. My brother.
Yes.
On that page again, I got a message. Hey, my brother, you can give me your number. I have something. After 9 months.
Damn.
Yeah, ngwana a hlaya.
Type shit. That's what I'm thinking.
What you my brother?
Yes.
So now, I say no, don't worry.
Yes.
Give me a place and time and a day.
Yeah, I'll be there.
Yeah, he gave me that. And then it was on Friday. I woke up here.
They don't waste time.
Yeah, ke a fihla da pranane shapo jwang a mocha and then ra kopanya dintho. How? Ke nana ga tsamaya jwanong ra ko sekolo.
What happened?
Hey. What happened? Ke bona ke ai bra ga re tlosa podcast, don't worry.
Yeah.
Sorry. It's a podcast, don't worry. What is a podcast?
Yes, I don't know what's that.
Eh bana. Ai, re dula fatshe fela ra iqoqela bra yaka. Re qoqa ka eng? Re qoqa eng? Ne ra iqoqela fela anything. Ka re anything?
Yes.
Are yes. Ka re okay. Babo. Yeah, ka re bila ke na check. Babo, ke tlo bua mo re ke batla check. Ka sebedisa
platform
re ke batla check mo fethu. Because next time I had next.
Yes.
My brother. And then we went on a place about Mfulo Park. We went to Mfulo Park. Rafta rapeka da rabamnat radula set up the tulo. Yeah. Na my brother. Ka tholare ha ona cold drink mo tafoleng. I feel to. I got next time next podcast. Mara I saw or mo batla something.
Something.
Answer di hutsi man. Ra ka reka kholi shapo. Ha o ka bona re bile hao. Ka nto etsalang kutlwana ne ntwana nane one senje tsa re kaole.
Yes. A gona kaolo.
A ona kaolo. Nani a itaftisa ho araba ntwane. Ka ntshanye go ka reka kaolo. Ra ba mnate. Nani a be ya di branding tsa di kipa mo tsa Petwes. To set up on the table. Ka cold drink ke rekile na ke sharp. Ha ke kolotiwe a ke re mfetha bankopa. Sharp. Ho mnate ke etsa from the good heart. Sharp. Before ar qeta o shapa show. And naga wana ke outitse maka bra. I told Nani on the show the truth. He asked me on the show before the show started. Go with questions I think are anyone that you want. Are personal are anyone. Yes, even personal. Don't worry. Because it's a sexual lady camera. Then I know where I belong here. I knew that. I felt that.
They made you feel good.
Yes, then we make that video and then we were done. After more. Ka bona o tshaka etsa ntho grand.
Yes.
E qala mo tseba o. Ke mmona. Wa bona. Ka rene bra ka she. Ke batlo reka sport se one. A ke re wa rekisa. Ka re ke batlo reka sport. Se one. Sa Petwes ke se one. A rene ona tsheta ba dio in wa bona. And I get her conclude, come full of her. And then I gave him money there. I enjoy it sport I say. I feel conclude about last sport I never I say, but Bambi skipper or bambo moy. Okay, before you skipper, I say your sport. And then sharp, it was okay. Marana I paid to get last taller brayakane, sharp, a vai. The following week, Friday, I went back to Nani Matsoso because I know he's home now. Where he's living now. Ak fihla la nje tsa gona di kipa di Alexander ko Media High in Depot.
Yes.
Di ko Alexander ko Media High. Then he gave me a t-shirt. Are bamba la Brahmo Bambo Moya Msolandi Sport. Okay.
What's this now?
Bambo Moya. Karne maybe they're not sebedisa de good heart.
Yes. It's like you.
He's like me.
You were gullible.
Exactly. One shot. Ankaya kafai. Nani Matsoso Sport. Yeah. Di fedile ke tlo printa. Hey. Okay. Sure. Till namanje akusothola sport. Nyoko ke isitse. Skipa sa ilang ka sona nexus batla ke.
Yes.
Ke ile ka senka ka lopenta ka sona kwa ka sisia mo. Because nexus batla really.
Yes.
And then ke entse ntwe after a very long time nyana se ke metse sport. Ka bona raisa le yo ntwe ya sport.
Yes.
Wa bona until nani asamkhaya until ke lo sebetsa ka sona.
Yeah.
Before I can even wear it because nexus hard is skipa for now. Wa bona sharp. As you exploit on him.
Yeah, more. We there. We definitely there.
We are definitely there.
Yes.
Another again. Another
one.
Yes. Nani Matsoso himself called me. And say, Ebra Abba, ngila Ebran Fisher lana nga Saturday and mina kune function la kufuneka ipika so organize nawe.
Yes.
Wabona namanye ama chance. Wabona. So don't worry about the money. Before I can even speak
about money.
About money. Don't worry about the money, bra apa. It is sorted. Sege solvile on the table.
Tough shit. Now we are happy.
Yeah. What is the function is gonna go about, my brother? Arne so khuluma nomphakathi kuzobe kuqola umphakathi la abafana basekasi understand amusbra apa kuzobe nje kusekasi ekhoneni kuzobe kuqola understand this. And then I understood wabona, my brother.
Yes.
Yeah. And on that day, my brother, if I don't have money, things like this are happening. I borrow money to go to Brandfish. My brother, Brandfish. I did the speaking. I send. We ask listen to less.
Yes, it's not
telephonically now. Wake up, it's technology now.
Gotta catch up.
That was Matos, the general himself, the nation key.
So did he send the money?
Up until today, my brother has sending you. Nah. Literally. Why one of my brother?
Something else, yes.
Yeah, has sending you up until today. Nani Matsoso, I saw his promo about his podcast,
yes.
Better Ways. I saw the promo that that the podcast is coming happen soon.
Yes.
It's revival, actually.
Come back.
Because I'm the first guest there of that podcast, Better Ways.
Yes.
I was the first guest.
After everything.
Yeah. One chola, my brother. How? You want that promo and then because Nani Matsoso don't answer my calls, my brother.
Yes. What do you share about fame?
So I get into that post, a comment, okay. But I wish by that time, which means I show silete. Because now some kolota hai too. Nanung kolota ichiranta mfuitu. Ya sport. You can't tell me kinkile skipa yena.
Because
unless I'm robber.
Exactly.
Wabona. Akasenje tso kinkile skipa. If I bua nnete, o tlamela tseba go ntsa kolota sport. Ichiranta yaka.
Yes. Because that's what you bought.
Yes. And you know, just after the show, before I can come, my brother, ko commenting that. Harkata shoot. There was this guy's the series and Lena.
Yes.
But I prayaka sheba he said the number to how or really can screening. So that when people need to help or need to call you, as you said, when
yes.
they will come straight to you. Nani Matsoso again. Another again.
Yes,
Nani
another
Matsoso.
one.
No. O tlo batla mtshola konna.
Yes.
Batla mtshola honna. Kanjani manje? Kanjani? Sharp. I didn't mind about that.
Yes.
Wabona my brother.
Yeah.
Sharp. So more commenting by that time let's hope I would be paid already.
Yes.
Yeah, another answer was abantu abajealous bakhuluma kanje.
Yeah, man.
That's general for you.
Damn.
Yeah. And it's sad because mfethu I know ukuthi people khona abantu abamthandayo, bamrespect. I know that. Name I love that.
Yes.
Yarata haratuwa as ex-convict.
Yes.
But hareta grand to people and to ourselves.
Online and offline.
Online and offline, my brother. Let us act good.
Be good.
How to sort of I feel that it's good, my brother. To me, it's real.
Yes.
If people saying you are doing good up, I just need that.
Yes.
For me, it's powerful.
It's more than enough.
Yes, because I know it's genuine. I deserve it because I don't lie.
Yes.
Whatever that I say, I don't lie.
Yes.
That is why I feel I deserve it.
Yes.
When someone is saying to me, Appa, thank you, my brother, you are inspiring, you help our kids, you help us as well.
Yes.
Yeah, I feel I deserve it because I'm not lying
Yes.
from inside out. What am I, brother?
Yeah.
So, Brayak, ko bathong o na le vare corona o nna ana vare kona.
Yes. Specifically you now.
Specifically me now.
Yes.
Ana vare, my brother. Wa bona. So exploitile le yena ke mo counter as the podcaster
So is there another one?
Yeah.
There's more.
There are plenty, my brother.
Damn.
Many of them.
Okay.
Wa
Maybe a last one
No.
for the viewers.
Another show. Please, man. Yeah, another pasca it's go batho ba qabane le nna. Wa bona. Yeah,
I would never.
So my brother, now what I say, I love Nani Matsoso. He knows.
Yes.
I told him personal.
Yeah.
I loved him. Ke tsamaile somewhere le yena. Wa bona. Yeah. Ntse re etsa mosebetsi o wa o bua wa bona. Ke tsamaile le yena ra supportana ke supportile ntwe yae. Betho eseo.
Yes.
Wa bona my brother. So
For
yeah,
free even.
for free.
Yeah.
And then now as I zoomed on Nani Matsoso, ke mo shebile je. That is why I'm saying I'm not fighting now. As I'm speaking like this.
Yes.
I want people to learn. Why bona my brother? And ke batla o mong le mong a be go plekeng ya hae. Or ska tlo mphatsamisa plekeng ya ka. Now I'm on social media. Ka di var. Ke feel like ke mo plekeng ya ka. Wa bona? But wena o tlo involve ka di action ka maka hao. Wa understand? Wa involve next time batho ba tlo re maka kaofela.
Yes.
Wa nthala my brother.
Yes.
Yeah. Batho ba tlo re maka kaofela.
That's one.
Wa bona my brother. Ha ke o bona o thabile. Nna ke a o thabela le wena.
But that's how it's supposed to be.
Yes. But wena ska nketsa hampe ke tla thaba jwang ha o thabile.
Exactly.
O nketsa hampe.
Yes.
People must know, many of them, not Nani Matsoso fela on Chola Brian.
Yes. All the
general
in the world.
General in life.
Yeah, I feel
people are like that, my brother.
Oh, people.
Yeah.
No.
They involve people in their devil deeds.
Would you say most of them are like that?
Yes, most people.
Yes.
I
It's a
like
sad
that.
reality.
Sad, sad reality, my brother. How o bua maka? O bua maka ka somebody. On tell my brother. Hey, that somebody now. Wa bona mo kenya da.
You're even sending out energy to that somebody.
Exactly, my brother. When attracting bad spirit, you want people to help you because it is heavy.
Alone.
It is not easy to pull a bad spirit, my brother. That is why you're gonna involve batho ba bang o kenye batho ba ba mathateng.
Yes.
Ba bang ba go di tronkong. Ba bang ba bonahaleng ka re they are cruel. Kante ko wena cruel.
They seem cold because they're associated.
My brother, how can he say batho ba jealous ba bua che ka nna? Or else I want my money. Or maybe that was public enough. That was public enough. Why asa phamishe di call stack hey?
Yes.
If asa batle public, why asa batle di call stack? But now, nna ke tla go public space, ne? It shows that I don't need those money anymore. No, actually batla phaya. I'm gonna teach about my situations
Yes.
As I said before.
That's the only thing that matters. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now on Agenda Network, my brother. Ke le ka bua ntho eo ka re nna ka di experience tsaka past and tse tlo etsahalang ko future. Wa bona, it will be educational.
Yes.
One thola my brother.
Yeah.
Hey, hence ke bua ntho tseo ra icon. Le yena my brother nani da. I background. Wa bona? Because nna personal ke le ka mzuma nami. Nna ke a zuma my brother. Ke a share.
Yes. See the character.
Yeah. Wa bona? He is angry.
Yes.
He's still angry. Ha so fole na. Ho ya ka nna. That's my opinion.
There are people like that.
Yeah, ha so fole ho ya ka nna nani. Nani ntsa kwatile. Ditho tse nyane di a mkwatisa. I saw that first hand ke na le nani. Yeah. Wa bona? A bua mantswe a angry, a le angry. Wa bona my brother? O na le angry le. Nani Matros. A bua ka deal ya Mocha Love. Wa bona ho yena e ne le serious, wa bona? Yeah. So there was somebody o nkareng nani na feel re tlo mo sabotage.
Yes.
Wa bona?
Yes.
A bua re diamond ka etsa so. Nna ke tla etsa so. So
you could tell.
Yeah, so tseo una sa exploiting nna ne se ke etsa fela ke bua fela hore Mthako o ntse go dangerous. Wa nthola my brother. Yeah. O dangerous. So ha theole moya my brother, I'm asking him now. Aska tsamaya lo ropa le ba bang ka bane is gonna mess up le di deal tsa hae tse serious
and mess up other people even.
A qabantshe batho. O thola o thotse batho ba utlwana ba mo kenya ko di dealing a ba qabantse. Yeah. On tell my brother. I feel hore le yena ke ena podcaster ke mo balla ko category ya di podcaster.
Yes.
On tell my brother. Yeah, because it started there. Ya ka lena.
With the podcast.
Yes. So there is no beef, my brother. Just for
beef.
educational. Yeah.
So that's the story.
That's the story. That's the story.
I was curious, for a while.
Yeah, you can ask any questions, my brother, about it. Because some
okay, you said some intro on the intro when you were introducing him, if I may. The Legion Killer. What's that about?
It is the Legion Killer, mfethu. Which look am lo mo high, mfethu.
Yes.
Hey, now that's why I'm calling him the Legion Killer, because he said so, mfethu. Go make G podcast.
Yes.
Podcast and chill.
Yeah.
He said, yena o kile o bolaile John Monroe.
Who's that?
John Monroe ke inele boss ya ma 28. 28 ke gangster from prison.
Yes.
Yeah. So the boss of that gangsterism, 28, that particular gang, Nani, as young as he was, 11 years old or something. And then he killed this guy because maybe they wanted to rape him or something.
Yes.
Yeah.
11 years old.
He was 11. So words are saying, Mthako ntsalteng, man.
Yes.
Mthako ntsalteng.
Yes.
So now I can't say what he said. What he did now.
What he said, yeah.
What he said. That is why I'm saying this is the legend killer.
He's a legend.
He's a legend again. And he killed a legend.
Type shit.
Yeah. So he's general.
Yes.
He's a general.
I get it.
Yeah, not because he ended up being general at 27. Another gang, dangerous gang. Yeah.
There's a lot, man.
There's a lot. So now I'm not saying he's lying or truth. It's for people to judge. Now I'm not the judge.
Yes.
I can't judge. Yeah.
It's funny how we judge a lot, though.
Yeah. Now what it brings to me, it will be the case of, do I believe it or not?
Yes.
Do I believe it or not? It's that case, Nalemoto. My brother. It's not the case where I dispute entirely what you are saying.
Because of what you heard, maybe.
Exactly, because of one words that I heard, or what you heard before.
Yeah.
One told my brother. Yeah. So, I granted that thing.
It's dangerous, yo. Now that I think about it.
I granted that thing. I ain't saying yeah. No, I'm talking about Yeah, nakanyaka
oh, yes, way back there. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
And happy on 76, phela go Brandfish, I was working. Yeah.
Yes.
I was working. And he promised me, money wise is done. Karsha. I went there, my brother. Many people saw me in Brandfish.
Yes.
It was because of Nani Mazos. And I didn't get any cent until today.
Money which he promised you?
Yes. Where is it? Where is my 8 rand?
The one that you gave him?
Yahudi. Yakatiba. Where? I gave him. But I said, what's a ballet? What's a ballet?
Yes.
So I know maybe his fans, they will feel or
no. They should just forget.
If you about they will feel me.
Yes.
They'll
resonate.
Exactly, because I'm not against Nani as a person.
Yes.
I'm against what he did to me.
Yes. That's all.
So
he doesn't do it to other people.
Exactly. And I'm gonna tell Moya in terms of emotions. And then stop lying to people. Yes. Especially where it involves money.
Promises which you don't keep.
Yeah. Especially where it involves money, my brother.
Yes.
It is so dangerous. But why what?
Yes.
Like now maybe people will say my brother. As now. I didn't even answer him. Because I was like, Papa.
You know what's up.
Hey, you know what's up.
To save face right now.
Yeah.
You wanna look good for the public because that's what you're about. He's even exposing himself. He's leaking. Like you said, emotional.
Exactly. Why would I be paid by that time? That was the question.
Because he's been avoiding you.
Exactly. Avoid. Why avoid?
Yes. Stories to tell you.
Yeah.
That's lies for you. Yes.
Yeah. And now I realized, my brother, experience
yes.
I realized something. If somebody is lying to you and they are not scared to come face you with another lies, just know they put you in the scale that they are not scared of you. They can move you. Because people are living in hell. People are putting power, physical power. They chase that. They fear, but
yes.
You're never sharp. Or hand sharp. Kind of thing.
Just to spite him.
Yeah. So which is yeah. People are living in hell, my brother. But
then I think like the main cause is the fear behind it now.
As I said,
exactly.
I'm not sure there was a comment on TikTok. What went wrong between you and Branani? What are you fighting for? I was like, what? And then my mind comes, maybe it's all from Facebook. It's all from Facebook. My brother, no fighting, not me, at least.
Yeah.
Not me. Are confused because prior check hardly here go the social media really too motivational speaker kaofela ona le batho ba ratang kaofela really too nna le Nani Mazos
as a combo
jwanong ha se re lwana
what's going to happen then
re confuse batho and a ratlela mo for lwana le mo for teacher
to guide
with peace with peace
so that the peace and respect spreads on.
Exactly, my brother. Let's mo teacher na gatlela mo lwana le motho or beef or whatsapp others get le mo as the friends
yes
the relationships
family
genuine family
yes
on chola my brother genuine family ke yona ntho entle saying lori ke teacher because I have love for people especially when they are young because I was messed up as a young boy again, my brother.
Yes.
Thank you very much. But I think if he can get this video, Mr. Nanimatso also himself,
yes.
I wish his answer, his comment.
Yeah, I put
yeah, I think Arabella.
That's a good idea. That's a very good idea. So, is this a formal invitation?
Yeah, exactly, my brother.
Mr. Nani,
that's fair game.
You've been invited.
Tell him again, please, my brother.
You've been invited.
The general, the legend key.
It's official. Hopefully we hear something soon.
Exactly, my brother. Let's hope so, but I know him.
He won't. He's been avoiding you after all.
I saw that to him.
Yes.
But I hope he changed.
Hopefully.
He changed and be a good guy, man. He's a good guy. And like
everyone is good.
Everyone is good until you do bad.
Until to someone. Bad in your mind.
My brother, to someone. So I won't say he's bad. No. He's not
There's
a bad
no
guy.
such. Yes.
He's just when they two, they three on not a bad.
T4, T5.
T4, T5, T6. The countant sale. This is very 8. The countant sale. The countant. One chola, my brother. Yeah, it's right. Or but ratan really too. But the hono do la bathabile le bona.
Yes.
But the hono do la bale right.
That's fair.
My brother. So no hang gets a blind. Yeah, maybe what's about Ronald what ratan really too as a combo. Maybe I na honey.
Yes. Perhaps in his feelings.
Yeah, and then maybe in trip Rayaka, Yaka social media.
Yes.
Of another thing, my brother. And Babangata can say about it.
But it's a punt.
Yes,
just for the sake of benefit.
Yeah.
Mashangura.
It's
all for the money.
So how about such a Mashangura? They get frustrated. Yeah. They get angry.
They get mad.
At
themselves.
Yeah.
Then they project that madness outside.
I know what Nanimatsu did to me. No one can do that to Nanimatsu. Or me. Let me say me. I won't do that to him. Even if I wanted to. What was Sanyam Taco?
Yes.
Yeah. You won't even see Lorigam tribe or John.
Yes. Just go blindly.
Yeah, now Kimon level higher temperature.
Unstable.
It's not good. It's not good. I tell them more, yeah, my brother. Because now I'm worried in the future, in his deals going forward.
Yes. Relationships could be destroyed.
The relationships are high going forward.
Yes.
And it's in a fruitful. My brother.
That's lies for you.
So now I just wish I got right.
Yes.
Yeah. Now it is his choice. That he pays me or not. I will not like a cool.
Yes.
Sorry, Braka peace, Rabam Natradula, more.
Yes. Maybe misunderstanding.
Yeah. That would be good for me, my brother. Yeah.
So we go for the day.
We good?
I think maybe.
Yeah.
Who knows?
All right. Yeah, let's close it, my brother. Yeah.
That's it from us.
That's it from
Catch us next time. Oh yeah, you do your thing.
That's it from us, Mafetu. And Mafetu, please don't forget to support and help local brands.